Welcome, today's day 1 and we're ready start. Elizabeth I, also known as the Virgin Queen, was a remarkable monarch who ruled England from 1558 to 1603. Her reign is often referred to as the Elizabethan era, a time of cultural, economic, and political flourishing in England. Born on September 7, 1533, Elizabeth was the daughter of King Henry VIII and Anne Boleyn. Her early life was fraught with difficulty as she faced constant political intrigue in the tumultuous reigns of her father and half-siblings. Elizabeth's legitimacy to the throne was questioned due to her mother's execution for treason when she was just 2 years old. Despite the hardships, Elizabeth was well-educated and displayed a keen intellect from an early age. After her half-sister Mary I's death in 1558, Elizabeth ascended to the throne at the age of 25. She inherited a kingdom deeply divided by religious conflicts between Catholics and Protestants. Elizabeth's reign was characterized by diplomatic finesse and prudent decision-making. One of her most significant achievements was restoring religious stability in England through the Elizabethan religious settlement. This settlement established the Church of England as the official state religion, with Elizabeth as its supreme governor. Although she sought to find a middle ground between Catholic and Protestant practices, Elizabeth's reign saw the rise of Protestantism in England. Under Elizabeth's rule, England experienced an era of cultural renaissance. Her patronage of the arts and literature fostered a thriving literary scene, producing renowned playwrights like William Shakespeare and Christopher Marlowe. The Elizabethan age also witnessed explorations and maritime voyages that expanded England's colonial ventures, making the nation a prominent player in the age of exploration. Elizabeth's leadership during the Spanish Armada crisis in 1588 further solidified her reputation as a capable monarch. England emerged victorious against the formidable Spanish fleet, bolstering national pride and cementing Elizabeth's status as a beloved ruler. Throughout her life, Elizabeth faced personal struggles as well. She never married or had children, leading to her famous moniker, the Virgin Queen. Her decision to remain single was both strategic and personal, as it allowed her to maintain her power and avoid potentially destabilizing foreign alliances. Despite facing pressure from her advisors and foreign suitors, Elizabeth remained steadfast in her choice. Elizabeth's reign was also marred by political conspiracies and threats to her life. The most infamous of these plots was the Babington Plot, which aimed to assassinate the Queen and place Mary, Queen of Scots, on the English throne. Elizabeth's intelligence network, led by Sir Francis Walsingham, successfully foiled the conspiracy, resulting in the execution of Mary, Queen of Scots, in 1587. In her later years, Elizabeth's health declined, and she passed away on March 24, 1603. Her death marked the end of the Tudor dynasty, and she was succeeded by James VI of Scotland, who became James I of England, uniting the crowns of England and Scotland. Elizabeth I's reign was a transformative period in English history, marked by stability, cultural growth, and national pride. Her astute leadership, dedication to her country, and unwavering determination in the face of adversity earned her a place in history as one of England's greatest monarchs. The legacy of the Virgin Queen lives on, continuing to inspire generations with her remarkable achievements and indomitable spirit.